Hello. Before we start to the main part, let me introduce myself. My name is Syafira Meyra Faiza, and my student number is 24010500006. Today, I would like to explain the topic of metamorphosis, specifically focusing on the metamorphosis of butterflies for third grade class. Hello everyone, how are you today? That's great to hear. It's wonderful to know that there is so many bright faces that are ready to learn. Before we start our lesson, let's take a moment to pray together. Let's bow our heads and start praying. Enough? Thank you for being here today. Before we dive into the material, I have to mention that there will be a fun game at the end that uses a sheet. For those of you who want to print the sheet, you can download it from the link in the description of this video, okay? Now, I have a few questions for you. So, do you like to look at butterflies? Where do butterflies usually live? That's right, butterflies usually live among the flowers. Have you ever seen a butterfly's eggs? So today we will talk about something amazing called metamorphosis. Metamorphosis means changing forms or life stages. Some animals go through this process as they grow up. Think about it like this. When an animal is born, it might look very different from when it gets older. Metamorphosis shows us how animals change from one form to another as they age. So it's like a magical transformation. Now that we know what metamorphosis means, let's watch a short video together. Please pay close attention to the video, okay? Ready? Let's watch.
Butterfly. Today we're going to learn about the most beautiful insect in the world, the butterfly. Here are some facts about butterflies. Butterflies are beautiful insects with brightly colored wings. But did you know that they were originally six-legged insects called caterpillars? As they grow, they undergo a transformation known as metamorphosis, which changes everything their physical appearance.
So, the life cycle of a butterfly begins when the female butterfly lays her eggs. She usually lays them on leaves. Did you know that most of these eggs will hatch in just 4 to 6 days? That's pretty quick, right? When the eggs hatch, tiny caterpillars come out ready to start their journey. The next stage is called the caterpillar or larva. After the eggs hatch, the caterpillar eats its way out of the eggshell. Right away, it starts munching on the leaves nearby. Caterpillars eat a lot. They keep eating and growing until they become adult caterpillar. This stage is all about getting bigger and stronger. Once the caterpillar is fully grown, it transforms into a pupa or a chrysalis. This is a special time because the caterpillar will stay in this protective case for a few weeks to several months. Inside, amazing changes are happening. The caterpillar is turning into a butterfly. Finally, the pupa will break open and out comes a beautiful butterfly. The butterfly will start searching for food using its lovely wings to fly around. It looks for flowers to feed from and eventually meets other butterflies. Then, the female butterfly lays eggs again, and the life cycle starts all over. Now that we have learned about the amazing life cycle of a butterfly, let's have some fun. Singing helps us remember what we learned and makes our class lively. I have a special song for us to sing together. So, are you ready? Egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly, egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, flutter and fly in the sky. That's the life cycle of a butterfly. Changes, changes, run like this. It's called metamorphosis. The butterfly's legs are tiny eggs on a leaf. They're so tiny and hard to see. The eggs hatch into a small caterpillar. It munches lots of this and gets bigger and bigger. The caterpillar hangs in the shape of a G. The chrysalis from the caterpillars change. When the caterpillars change, all are done. A beautiful butterfly has become. Okay, everyone. Now we are going to do a fun activity. If you watch this video with your friends, do it with your friends. But if you watch this video alone, don't worry, I'm sure you can do it alone. Do you still remember a sheet of paper that I had mentioned before? That's right. It has pictures of the life cycle of a butterfly along with the names of each stage. And your job is to draw a line from the name of each stage to the correct picture. Isn't that exciting? Now guys, if you do this game with your friends, remember to listen to your friend and respect their opinion, okay? Now first, let's start from here. We got what? Yes, we got butterfly. Which one showed the butterfly picture? This one? That's right, it's this one. Now we got the emerging butterfly. Which one it is? This one? Do you think it's this one? No? Then which one? That's right. It's this one. Now we got eggs. Which one shows the butterfly's eggs? Easy peasy, right? It's right here. Next, we got chrysalis. Which one it is? This one? Do you think it's this one? I don't think so. So which one it is? That's right. We have two chrysalis here. It's right here and right here. Now, there is adult caterpillar. Which one it is? Is this adult caterpillar? The answer is yes. It's an adult caterpillar. The last one is larva. Do you know where it is? That's right. The larva is right here. Wow, you're doing an amazing job. I'm so proud of you. Alright everyone, now it's time for a quick evaluation to see what you have learned about the metamorphosis of a butterfly. Please take out your pens, notebooks, and get ready to write your answer. And then now I have two questions for you. The first one, please describe the steps in the metamorphosis of a butterfly from an egg to an adult. The next one is, I want you to tell which part of the butterfly's life cycle do you like the most, and please tell the reason why. Wow, everyone, you did an amazing job today. I love how you listened and so eager to learn. Thank you for being so active and enthusiastic. Learning about the life cycle of a butterfly is so fun, right? Now, before we end, let's take a moment to pray together. Let's bow our heads and close our eyes. Enough? Thank you, everyone. I hope you had fun learning about the life cycle of a butterfly. See you all next time.